there, this is Tanya from Techretaries, and I'm here to show you how to create digital signatures and add them to PDFs on a Mac. So, first thing you want to do is open your PDF. Now, PDF meaning something that you can't edit, meaning going in and changing the text and adding photos or whatever you would normally do in Word or Pages. A PDF is a non-editable document. So we're going to use these tools in the upper right called markup tools to edit this document. We're going to add a signature. We're going to add in this case, the company name, the client address, and the print name. And we're going to use this signature button at the top here, the text button, and the text style button on the right. What you're going to need is a white piece of paper and a pen. And what we're going to do is just sign your name on that white piece of paper. It has to be white. Can't be yellow, off-white. It can be a little patterned. Like, for example, I'm going to be using an envelope. Just make sure it's white. And a pretty good signature, good size. Doesn't have to be too big. Try not to make it too small. So open your document here, have your signature ready. And if you've already created a signature, all you have to do is come up here. Maybe you created it a couple months ago and don't remember. Go in there, click on the sign icon, and place your signature. And you're ready to go. But if you haven't, come up here again, come down to Create Signature. And if you're on a laptop, you're going to see this trackpad for the first option. Not my favorite option. Not great for making a signature. I mean, it's a perfectly good substitute if you don't want to go through the whole paper thing. But with paper, it really resembles your actual signature. So for example, I've got two signatures there. There it goes. Kind of have to play with it, moving it in and out. Point it at the camera, which should be at the top of your Mac. You see how it's kind of wiggling around as I move the paper? That's okay. As long as we got a pretty good impression and it's above the line, I'm happy with that. Once you're ready. Oh, it didn't like that. It's good to get bugs while we're doing videos. So if it messes up on you, you can always hit clear and come back to it. There we go. Beautiful. And hit done. You can see I've done this a couple of times. Now, select the signature I want, and then all I have to do is once I get that hand icon, drag it up to where I want it to be, bring my cursor over the corners where the blue balls are, and then drag it out to make it bigger. That looks good. And then wherever I want to add text, I simply click where I want to add text and start typing. Now this is the font color, size, and font family that I used last time. So if I want to change this, all I have to do is make sure that's selected. Okay, so I don't see the cursor blinking at me. Good. So select it. Come up here to the A for text style and choose the font. Make it a little more business-like. Good. Do the same with the other fields. You can see it remembered that font. Oh, and let's say I go over just a little bit. I can always drag this in to fit the box that I need. Or concurrently drag it out if I need it to be longer. And that's it. Now I save it. I like to use Command S to save. And then if you're saving for the first time, it's going to ask you, where do you want to save this? Great, you can save it to your desktop, documents, wherever you need it to be. If you'd like to change the name or change where it lives, click on the little arrow, down arrow. It's a very small arrow just to the right of the title. And then you can change the name, change where you want it to live, click out of it, and you're ready to go. Command S for good measure. And then let's say you're ready to send it off. You can always hit the share button in the upper left to then send it through message or mail. I don't have mail connected, so I won't be doing that, but you can. Go for it. All right, and that's it. Adding signatures in preview to a PDF. We added our signature, added text fields. Go ahead, try it yourself. If you have any feedback, please send me an email at tanya@techretaries.com. Signing off.